Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a general skills CTF challenge from Crate-CTF 2023. The challenge is called Tangentbord, which is the Swedish word for keyboard. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge on this slide. The task is to figure out the keyboard layout of a keyboard we found. You'll also find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we see the challenge. So the text says that we found a keyboard with the text ultimate speed written on it. And we connected it, but it doesn't seem to behave quite as we would expect. And then we see here that we need to connect with SSH. And we need to enter the password. And we're logged in. So let's try and write ls. Okay, that doesn't work. So we seem to be using a different keyboard layout. And I guess a hint here is the ultimate speed. As far as I know, DVORAK is the speediest keyboard layout. So we could try and see if this could be DVORAK. Let's try and just Google an image of the keyboard layout of a Swedish DVORAK keyboard. And here we have the layout of a Swedish DVORAK keyboard. So let's try with ls then. There we have a flag. So let's try and cut the flag. So let's see. There is no flag here, but try /etc/.flag.txt. Okay, so let's try that. Where is E? The dot. Wrong again, but maybe in /var/mail/flag.txt. Okay, let's try that. Var. No dot. The third time's the charm. Check etc x11.x40. Okay. Can we use copy paste perhaps? See where the C is. Stop there. V. Okay, that didn't work. So let's just type it out again. There we go, we found a flag. Crate-CTF. DVORAK gets better with practice. Okay, so now that we've solved the challenge, I'll give some background info on DVORAK. The DVORAK keyboard layout is an alternative keyboard layout designed to improve typing speed, accuracy, and ergonomics. Unlike the commonly used QWERTY layout, the DVORAK layout is based on the principles of efficiency and comfort. The DVORAK keyboard layout was developed by August Dvorak and his brother-in-law William Deely in the 1930s. It was designed to address the limitations of the QWERTY layout, which was originally created for typewriters. It was intended to maximize typing efficiency by placing the most commonly used letters on the home row, reducing finger movement. The layout minimizes finger travel distance by favoring alternating hands and utilizing the stronger and more dexterous fingers. The DVORAK layout aims to reduce strain and fatigue by promoting a more natural hand movement and minimizing finger stretching. Thank you for your attention. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to add a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos on CTFs and other security-related topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.